In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Zelle payment on Bank of America. This step-by-step guide will provide you with all the details you need to effortlessly navigate the Bank of America app and ensure that your Zelle payment is canceled without any hassle. First, start by launching the Bank of America app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, sign in using your credentials. If you're not signed up yet, follow the necessary steps to create an account and get logged in. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu where you'll see several options. Go ahead and tap on the Transfers Zelle option. This will guide you to the section where you can manage your transfers and keep track of your Zelle activities. Next, you'll notice some tabs at the top of the Zelle section. Focus your attention on either the Activity or Scheduled tab. In these tabs, you'll find all your current and upcoming Zelle transactions. These sections are designed to give you a clear overview of your payment movements and ensure that you can manage them effectively. Take a moment to review your payments and locate the pending Zelle transfer you need to cancel. Once you have pinpointed the payment you wish to terminate, it's time to take action. Tap on the payment itself. This will open a more detailed view of the transaction, providing more context and options surrounding that particular payment. As you examine the transaction, you will see the Cancel option. Selecting this will initiate the cancellation process. After you've tapped Cancel, a confirmation message will prompt you on the screen. This isn't just a formality, it's an opportunity for you to double-check that you're canceling the correct payment. Carefully review the transaction details displayed on the control screen to ensure everything aligns with your intent to cancel. Once confirmed, tap to finalize. Upon successfully canceling the payment, you'll see a confirmation message displayed. It should read Transfer Canceled. This gives you the assurance that your action was completed successfully and no funds will be transferred for that particular transaction. Keep in mind that canceling a payment is only possible for transactions that are still pending. If a transaction has already been processed or completed, the cancellation option will not be available. We hope this tutorial has made the process clear and simple for you. By following these steps, you can feel confident in your ability to manage your financial transactions using the Bank of America app and ensure that your payments are always in line with your intentions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.